What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's Down and Dirty. We're talking about how to keep a nice straight line when you're doing a dig. So what a lot of people will do is they'll start going to town and they're going to take a scoop here, and then they'll come over here and they'll take a scoop here, and they'll dig that whole area down. And then what you end up doing is you end up doing this whole let's rub our bucket up against the edge and try to get it squared off and straight. Instead, save yourself a lot of heartache. We're gonna back up just a hair more here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our nice long bucket and we're just gonna do a nice straight pull, set it off to the side. Now, as tempted as you are to go over here, don't do it. Let's dig our straight line. Keep digging in that vein. Because what that's gonna do is it creates a trench that our bucket's naturally gonna follow. And so now I don't have to worry about rubbing up against the edge to try to keep my bucket tight against the edge. The trench is doing it for me. Now what we're doing here is a cut down for a septic, so I don't really need to go all that deep. I just need to make sure all the topsoil's out, which we're gonna do one more little pass here to ensure that that is done. There's our cut down. So now that I know that edge is good, now we'll go over here and we'll start digging in the middle. Because now my edge is established and I'm no longer gonna need to push up against that edge. So that is literally all I've got for you today. It's a quick, super simple down and dirty. Make sure you cut in your edge before you start to bump over. And what you can do on like a basement dig or something where you're going a little deeper, instead of digging all the way to full depth, is we could dig this side down and we could dig it like 3 feet. And then we could bump over and we could dig this side down maybe 2.5 feet, where we've still got a trough on the outside edge. Then we can flip back over here and we can go down another 2 or 3 feet, and then we'll go over here to the middle and we'll dig that. That's how you would step it down. But the key there is you always want your outside edge to be deeper than the inside edge so that you've got that nice trench for your bucket to follow. So as always, I hope this helps. We'll catch you on the next Down and Dirty.